definition, personalised learning is a one-on-one conversation between coach and teacher, focusing on the individual professional learning needs of the teacher to determine next actionable steps. The purpose, to individualise the professional learning by providing just-in-time support to enable the teacher to move forward with their current professional learning goal. So if you can have that sheet handy, because I'm going to flick off this screen now. So it's intentional that the term, the week and the date are on the sheet, because I might have more than one booking sheet on the go at a time, so that I might like to be booking for a term, so that here are all the personalised learning sessions available during this term. When can we make it work to fit in? So first of all, like, how did you get it scheduled?
So I began by deciding that everyone probably needed allocated time. So everyone needs time to sit and reflect, everyone needs time to share. So what I did was, after discussion with the principal, is we brought in a relief teacher, and they then released teachers for a lesson so that they could come out and meet with myself and Sharon and talk about where they're at with their journey, what it is that they are finding difficult, and maybe what it is their next step that they want to implement. So throughout the first term, that was a big shift. They were allocated time, but they had to do some thinking before that, and they had to become prepared to share what they wanted to achieve.
So in this chapter, you're going to have a PowerPoint to work through self-paced. So I'm just giving you a little introduction here as to what this chapter is about and what you'll need. So in this chapter, you're going to be working at your own pace to reflect on the needs of teachers at each stage of the continuum of self-reflection.